Do you want to know how you can open a demo account on MetaTrader 5? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Financeable. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can open a demo account on MetaTrader 5. Go ahead and open MetaTrader 5, which is on your phone, and click on Accept. After a while, you can see that this page will open up where you can click Open a Demo Account. Without wasting any time, click on Open a Demo Account. Wait for a while as MetaCode's demo is loading for you. You can see that you have now opened a MetaTrader 5 demo account. You can go to Manage Accounts and see your demo money, and you can see you can do everything which you can do on a paid account or a MetaTrader official account. So guys, this is how you open a demo account on MetaTrader 5. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.